Hello, my name is Natalie Martinez, and I'm going to show you my instructional design plan. My learners are middle school and high school students that live in Kansas and go to Chapman School. They do not have on-site school libraries or a designated school librarian. They have a librarian that they share with the district, and they are given by their schools iPads and Chromebooks so that they can access library materials online. My learning goals for these students are that they will have the confidence to select high quality articles and first-hand and second-hand resources for their projects. They will be able to define what features they need to look for high quality resources. They will be experts at using Boolean phrases and know which ones broadens their results listing or narrows their result listings. They will know to identify databases they can use and know where to find them. And I will also have a short quiz for them at the end so that they can practice their big picture learning and also build confidence. The learning outcomes for the students are that they should be able to effectively utilize library resources and databases to select relevant articles. They will have more confidence when searching through the vast resources and databases, and that they will start having the desire and confidence to choose Explora over Google Scholar. So we're going to go to Google Scholar. We're going to research a topic just to see how the page looks like, see what kind of parameters that they use, and then talk about it a little bit and then go over to the Kansas State Library website. Show them all the different, just, briefly talk about all the different databases that are available to them and go over Explora multi-search where they have pertinent topics of the day. They can just browse different aspects of life like biography, health, history. They can search current topics of the day, important topics that everybody is talking about. And this neat box over here where they can quickly search just like how they would through Google Scholar. So here we'll search for the same topics that they search back there, back in Google Scholar, so that they can apply what they know and over to a new database. So it's not like they are completely learning from scratch. They have knowledge that they can apply. So we are gonna go and just look at how an article looks like. Article looks like, the abstract, the information that is listed over here. We're going to talk about different ways that they can save their articles over here, like the drive, printing, emailing, the importance of labeling things, a little bit more specific so that they can quickly access it and stay organized. We're going to go back to the result list and talk about the different parameters that are on this left side of the page, where they can talk about what are Boolean phrases, full text or scholarly articles, how they can change the parameters, limit the parameters from 1940 to 2021. Maybe they want articles that are, have been published more recently, and all the article types that they can do. And then we're gonna go and have fun searching, doing the advanced search feature, where we can start using the Boolean phrases and practice with them. Like we can do concussions and women and see where that leads us to so that they can slowly learn how to narrow down their big topic ideas. And after we've done some browsing and getting comfortable with the catalog, they can go to Go Formative, and we're going to do a low stakes, big picture kind of quiz. So just very easy. What is the name of the database you learned? Using Boolean phrase N narrows your search listings. very big picture kind of topics that we talked about. I just want them to get comfortable using the database, and as the more that they use it, the more confident that they will become, and being able to refine their search results. And then I have a nice cheat sheet talking about Boolean operators, and they have questions that are connected to the photos, to the pictures. So 3 is over 3, so that they can quickly look for the answers. So this is my instructional design plan. Thank you so much for listening and watching my video, and I can't wait to hear your feedback. Thank you very much.